Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a full tutorial on this Glaaam autumnal makeup look, and to start off I'm going to be balming my lips up with this Carmex lip balm, and then to prime my face I'll be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is an absolute favourite of mine. It really hydrates my face well and provides me with a great base for my foundation. And next up I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Lights. This is perfect for when you're doing a glam look, it just gives you that extra glow. And then I'm going to be doing my brows off camera, but if you'd like a tutorial just let me know. And then to prime my eyelids I'm going to be using the NARS Creamy Concealer in Creme Brulee. And then I'll be using the NYX Ultimate Smoky Palette, and I'm going to be using this sort of peachy colour to start off with. And next I'm using my all-time favourite, the Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. I'm taking the shade Blazing, which is like this vibrant burgundy orange shade, and then I'm just building that up and working it into the crease. And next I'm taking Saffron, which is this gorgeous red tone, because I really want to darken up my crease and show those autumnal colours. But I'm also going to be focusing this mainly on the outer corner. And then to make it even darker, I'm going to be using Oud from the palette, and I'm using this on a precise pencil brush, and I'm just going to focus that really into the outer corner and work to blend that into the reddy orange crease. Blending is really key here, so I keep going back and forth with my blending brush to make sure that it's all seamless. And next I decided I was missing a bit of the vibrant red that I wanted, so I took this shadow from Sugar Pill. It's in the colour Love Plus, and I'm just working that into the crease using windshield motion so that colour really comes through. Okay, so the next step is to carve out my eyelids. I'm really not good at cut creases because I'm just not that precise enough, but I've been working on it and it's slowly getting better. You just need a little bit of patience. So I'm taking this gold pigment called Legend from Makeup Geek next. I absolutely love the pigmentation from this foil shadow, just look at that payoff. And next using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner to line my eyes. Who doesn't love this stuff? And next I'm just putting these lashes on, but I'm doing that off camera because it literally takes me years. And onto the face, I'm using my oldie but goldie Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this stuff. I honestly haven't found a better foundation for my skin type. It gives me the perfect finish. And then just to highlight under my eyes and brighten, I'm going to be using the same NARS concealer. This is brilliant for brightening because it has pinky undertones, so it really targets those dark circles. And then I'm going to be using this Bourjois concealer as well because it's a bit brighter. And then I'm just blending that all together with my cute mini beauty blender. And of course I'll be setting that all in place with my lovely rimmer powder. And because we're doing a full glam look, I'm going to be baking using the RMCA baking powder. I absolutely love this stuff. Who else can relate to the amount of fallout from that bake though? It literally feels like it's snowing sometimes. And then I'm going to be using MAC's MSF and Give Me Sun to bronze up my face. And for contour I'll be using the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. This is absolutely amazing. The results I get with this are just perfect, and I'll be using that with the Real Techniques contour brush. And then I'm just going to brush away my bake and blend it into my contour. And next it's time to finish the eyes. I'm going to be taking Saffron and Blazing and using a detailed brush just to line my under eye area. This just finishes off the look really nicely, pulls it all together and gives you that smoky look. And then I'm going to be lining my eyes with this Rimmel liner. And for highlight I'm of course using the Mary Luminizer on this detailed brush from Hacky Hodu. It's great to use a blending brush, it just works really well. And then for blush I'll be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Okay, so onto the lips. I've recently purchased this liquid lipstick even. It's from Too Faced. It's the Melted Matte liquid lipstick in I Wanna Rock With You, and I can't rave about it enough. It's literally perfect for this festive season. And I didn't even need to use a lip liner here either. And to finish off the look, I'll be using the Mario Badescu Rose Gold Water Setting Spray, and that's the look complete. So I hope you enjoyed it, and remember all my socials are linked below. Have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!